Hello dear hungry folks, Robber's meat is truly a classic among oven dishes. No wonder, it tastes incredibly delicious and comes in various versions. This one I find particularly tasty, and we only use beef for the meat. In addition to the beef we discussed, goulash should be included because it is very effective. The meat needs to be cut into smaller pieces or you can use sliced meat instead. We also need onions, bell peppers, mushrooms, and pickles. The size of the pickles depends on your preference. For spices, we need pepper and salt, sour cream, beef broth or stock, and a bit of dry red wine. You can opt for grape juice instead if you like, and remember to add the tomato paste. While optional, I strongly suggest including grated cheese and fresh parsley for extra taste. We begin by preparing the ingredients, thinly slicing pickles and chopping bell peppers into chunks. This ensures even cooking. Wash the mushrooms, cut them into slices, and chop the onions. Ensure they are uniform. And now, we either use a roasting pan or a deep skillet. First, we heat some oil until it's shimmering, and then we add the meat. Season it generously with both pepper and salt. Stir in the spices to distribute them evenly, and start searing the meat until it's nicely browned on all sides. This step is crucial for flavor. Add the diced onions and sauté the meat and onions over high heat. After preparing the ingredients, gently deglaze the pan with red wine to capture the flavors, then add broth. Start by mixing everything well first, then add the sour cream and tomato paste. Combine all the ingredients thoroughly until they are well blended, then add the rest of the ingredients, ensuring everything. Include thinly sliced pickles, chunks of bell pepper, slices of fresh mushrooms, olives, and perhaps some artichokes. Combine all ingredients well and taste the mixture. If necessary, add more salt and pepper to season. You can add any spices you like to enhance the flavor of your dish. After mixing everything thoroughly, put the mixture in a preheated oven set to 400 F for around 20 minutes. If desired, after 15 minutes, open the oven and add some freshly grated cheese on top to enhance both flavor and texture. Let it bake for the remaining time, and you'll see it looks absolutely delicious. And not only that, it smells and tastes amazing. Sprinkle some freshly chopped parsley on top. As for sides, there are many delicious options: noodles, rice, potatoes, or simply a baguette or bread. It's easy to prepare in advance and makes a great party dish. I wish you lots of fun preparing it and a hearty appetite.